Website or apps that we use in our daily life is not only function with the front end side, the front end or client side, but it function also using the server side, what we call the backend. So in this tutorial, I will show you how to build a backend server side. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, we create using mkdir command our folder, our project. So we go to the project directory using the cd command, and now we tap npm init yes to initialize the apps, the project, and now we tap ls to see the package, the file inside the package.json, and now we can install our express package. We tap npm express, npm install express in dotenv. So we tap the ls to see the files inside. Now we create three files using the touch command that we learned yesterday. Perfect. Now, as you can see, we have our three files in the project. So in the if file, we create our port, the port number. In the ignore, we add that .env file, and we add also the node modules folder and the package log.json file inside the ignore file to ignore all it. We don't need it. So in the package JSON, we create our script start node node.js, and in the index.js file, we create our we create we start our we start building our server. We create const express equal require express. It's error to initialize the dotenv. Perfect. Now we create our server const app express. Now we create const app bot to run our bot. See, perfect. And now we can get our bot, our API. This is our first API that we create. App gate. This is the endpoint of this API. And now we listen the server, tapping app.listen port our function and console log. The port is running the server. So our server is running on the port 3300. So now we tap npm run stat, run the server. As you can see, if you go to the website, our API is running. Now we're going to add that text. That's okay. And after that, we're going to install the Nodemon. Is the package that you can use for the development to automate all the server running. So in the package, we can add that script dev nodemon index.js. So in the terminal, we tap npm run dev. So as you can see, our endpoint and API is running. Thank you very much for watching.